Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can insert symbol and equations in Microsoft Excel sheet. So let's start. To insert equations, you should go first insert and then equation. You can select any equations from these. These are some default equations. You can select in anything and you can place anywhere you fit that's appropriate. You can resize that, okay, and you can do some other edit from. If you select this one, this format will appear. Click on format, fill your shape, and then give a outline of your shape. Put the border a little bit thicker, then select the whole thing. Go to home, make it a little bit bigger, okay, and make it bold, and place it in the middle vertically and middle horizontally. So this is how, and you can now move it to anywhere. This is how you can add an equation in your Excel sheet. Uh, but you may need, you have your own equation, or you may need another equation which is not available by default. Okay, so in that case, you have to make your own equation. Okay, so how we can do that? First of all, we click on the cell and we have to write our own equation. I'm going with a very basic one. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is a very common equation. So write whatever you want to write. Oh, okay. After writing your equation, see, there is a problem in this equation, that is 2 is not placed exponentially. Okay, it has to be placed at top of this. Okay, so how we can do that? Select, you will see this on your formula bar. So select 2. Okay, after selecting 2, put your mouse pointer somewhere between this selection. Okay, then right click, format cells, select superscript, click OK. Okay, you will see 2 has gone up. Okay, now we have to do this to a square and b square. So how we can do that? Same process. Select these two, uh, right click, format cells, superscript. Okay, then again this one, right click, format cells, superscript. Okay, so our formula is it seems okay here. Now what we need to do, we should insert a text box from insert menu. Here we'll find text box. Now by clicking and dragging uh, right and left and up and down, we can make this any size. Okay, after that you can give a uh, give some background color. For example, we have given this shape outline. Okay, so this is our text box. Now select this, Control C, copy, or you can copy like this, copy, and then select and Control V. Okay, so this is how you can do it. Now select the whole thing, uh, bring it to the middle uh, vertically and middle horizontally. So this is our equation. It is already been, it is also selected here. uh, Click bold and make it a little bit bigger. So this is our customized formula. Now we can move it anywhere we want. So this is how we can use default equations, and we can make our own equations on our own. There is another way through which you can customize your own function. You will like this very much. This is very interesting. Where we will watch this now. Okay, so to do that, go to insert and this equation sign, click on this equation sign. Okay, select anywhere in the worksheet, in a blank space, then select this. Okay, then you will get this interface. Now click this option, ink equation. Here we will write our own equation through our mouse pointer. Okay, we have to balance our writing, and we'll get that we will write this equation. Okay, so how we can do that? First of all, there is a bracket. Okay, you see there is a bracket appeared here, then x, you can see. Okay, it will make sense. I, I'm giving plus. Okay, you see, when I gave a plus sign, it changed to uh, the exact way we wanted. Okay, so don't lose your hope, keep writing, just do your best. Okay, then a, then I'm closing the bracket. Okay, then I'm writing n here. Okay, so up to this is done, then I'm giving an equal sign, then summation, then k is equal to 0, small k, k is equal to 0, then n. Okay, okay, and there's a bracket here. It is showing a 0, no problem. N, okay, I'm erasing this, writing this again. There's a bracket, I'm giving n here, and I'm giving k. Let's see, try our best. I think now it will make sense. No, okay, erasing this, I'm writing. Okay, so don't lose your hope. Okay, uh, then x to the power k, a, n minus k, n minus k. I'm very happy that those problems appeared, and now hey, I think it is more clear to you. So then our I think it is done. X plus a to the power n summation k is equal to 0 n x k a n minus k. Okay, then insert. So this is our equation. Okay, then you can select this, format, shape fill, select the whole thing, bold, make it larger. So here you are. This is how you can customize your own equation. Now we will insert a symbol. So for that, go to insert, click on symbol, and you can select any one, anything from here, and insert, close. You'll see the symbol is selected here. Okay, now if you want to write anything after the symbol, then select this, and from here you can write anything. Okay, for example, write 100. Okay, or if you want, you can write before the symbol. Okay, 100 space. This is how you can use a symbol, or you can use symbol before or after any text. Okay, uh, or in any shape, anywhere. If we want to use a symbol in revenue, then we're selecting this revenue symbol. We are using this euro sign, insert. Okay, we see that after revenue there is a euro sign. We can uh, give a space between them, or you, if you want, you can cut it and by control X, and you can select this, then you can paste it by control V, then give a space. So this is how we can use symbols in our Excel sheet. Thank you very much.